Hey, it's Cliff, and we're going to talk some crypto. And I'm going to lead into some of the hate comments I've been getting and some of the people saying, I told you so, Cliff. You are weak hands, or whatever they're saying. We'll look into it. But just looking at the crypto market right now, Bitcoin, new all-time high. It already had reached, 93K, just looking here. Almost 94K. Right now it's at 91. So we're doing a little bit of a retracement back now, but still just looking at these prices, man, oh my God. XRP is currently 115, which is just amazing. That's something that we thought was never going to move again, but apparently it's taken off. Because XRP is taking off, we have Sologenic, which has done something just stupid, like a 223% gain on the 7-day. Most of that's just from, yesterday, I think? Yeah, from the 15th on. Once the 15th hit, this thing just went crazy. And then Coreum as well. Coreum's sitting at 16 cents as of this video. And it's done 120%, which is just gains. That is gains. That is enough for me to start checking my portfolio again. It's especially for me, I've been down on crypto for a while, and the reason why, obviously, is we've been in this bear market and nothing has been happening. Yes, I got the dog with me too. I don't know if y'all saw. We're gonna go do something fun later, but I figured I'd do a video really quick because I'm just getting a ton of hate comments now. So I figured we'd just address that first. But anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, I've been down on crypto for a really long time. A lot of scams out there. Even the main cryptos like Bitcoin, stuff like that, they just haven't been doing very well. Obviously, we're in a bear market, and this happens. Normally, we have our 4-year cycle, and it just gets to the point that you stop worrying about crypto because it's not going to do anything. And for me, my portfolio, most of it is invested in XRP style tokens, Sologenic, XRP, Coreum, things like that. That's where most of my portfolio probably is. Definitely not where most of the gains has been, though. So for us, when we had that lawsuit, we didn't get any kind of market gains for an additional cycle, which just really just made me not want to look at the crypto. It really didn't, because, I mean, from 2017 on, really, there wasn't a whole lot of gains. I mean, there's little peaks that you probably could have made some money on, but I'm not really much of like a look for the peak and trade. I mainly want to hold on to it until we get to our known bull market and sell there. That's always been my focus. I don't have the time to watch on the daily and do specific things. I think most of technical analysis is bullshit. That's just me. That's probably going to get me even more hate comments, but that's just me. Even if you like technical analysis, I'm just a person that I've found my time is better spent doing something else. There's more money to be made doing something else than trying to predict on a chart. And that's not saying that you shouldn't do research into an investment, look and see what they're actually doing, where are they going, where's the news at, what's the company's financials. Sure, all that's important, but you even see it now on X, people doing technical analysis, and they're like, oh, look, based off of this point here, we know that it's going to do a 4X, and it's just bullshit. Most of that is people just trying to get you to follow them. It's trying to get clicks, trying to get views so they can make money off of their own channels. That's just how I feel about it. You can disagree. That's cool. So yeah, I've been down on crypto for a long time. Really haven't watched it too much. And I think another big part of that is I've had so much success in other things in my life, financially, things that I should have been putting my time towards probably more. There's people coming, they're like watching me. Anyway, yeah, so there's been other things in my life that have made me more money. There's been big career advancements. There's been just a lot of things that I'm very fortunate for that was giving me a lot of gains, a lot of better quality of life, a lot of just things that I was very blessed with, right? And I don't like to talk about that stuff because it sounds like I'm bragging, but that's the truth. I was having bigger successes than the crypto that wasn't really doing a whole lot. So for me, yeah, I'm getting a little down on crypto and wasn't watching it. The views when it came to crypto videos were terrible. Nobody was watching crypto. Nobody cares about crypto. Now the views are coming back. People care about crypto because they're seeing almost everything on the chart is moving up. Pretty much, yet we're back in a phase where if you had thrown money at something, I don't know, 7 days ago, you'd be in profit. And that's what people really like crypto videos for. How are they going to make money? When nothing's happened in crypto, and it's been a long time since anything really cool has happened in crypto, nobody's watching those videos. So what's the point of even making those videos? So I just want to give you where my mindset was. I'm having bigger successes in my life that were actually giving me real life dividends while crypto wasn't doing anything. And that's why I was probably down on crypto. And I still believe your main focus should be on those other things in life. Yes, you should probably invest in crypto. I'm not going to tell you what to invest in, but you probably should have some of that in your portfolio. It's fun. And I still believe that you should be doing your 401k. I still believe your Roth IRA. All of that's important. You need to have an emergency fund. All of that. It's just common sense. It really is. It's just common sense. But I made a video saying that, I wasn't making any more Sologenic videos. And I don't know if that's true or not. I don't really know where I am when it comes to crypto. I'm really just going to do whatever I want. That's pretty much how this channel is going to go. I'm going to post whatever I want. That's how it is. But I posted that video saying I wasn't really doing a whole lot of crypto videos anymore. There's no views in it. Why make the videos? And my head's not in it right now. And there's a lot of people that, specifically from the Sologenic community, Coreum, they're saying, yeah, we got rug pulled. It's a scam. All of this shit, it was a bad investment. And then we have this big trace up. And now all the comments have completely switched to this guy is stupid. Let's see what they're saying. Pretty much just like people laughing, like, look at it now. It's gone up like 200%. Let me pull up more. Get a lot like, this video has aged like milk. Maybe not your last video on Coreum or Sologenic. Keep up the good work. And they're saying obviously now because it's gone up 200%, 300%. So I get it. I really get it. People are very tribal when it comes to crypto. They've always been like that. I've done YouTube for a while. The comments don't necessarily hurt my feelings, but there's no way to really win when it comes to those comments, because I'll literally have people on that video. I literally have people on that video saying that this guy makes bad investments, and then it goes up a couple days later, and then they're like, this guy's an idiot for, I guess, doubting this investment. I don't even know what they're saying for saying anything negative about the investment. So you can't win. You really can't win when it comes to any of this. So that's YouTube. I get it. That's life. But I guess I just wanted to address where my headspace was at with the crypto. It's just that it wasn't really doing anything in my life. So that's where it comes from. I was looking at different things. There was more money to be made in other places. But as we look at these comments and the people that are like, oh, this aged like milk, man, I just want to say, I'm still diamond hands. Is that even a thing? Do crypto people even say that anymore? Is diamond hands still, is that still a thing? But I still have all of my Sologenic. I still have all of my Coreum. Like I said, my biggest portfolio holdings are these XRP tokens and Coreum. Coreum's technically not XRP, but you know what I'm saying. They're the ones that didn't do anything. So now I'm kind of looking at it like, okay, Bitcoin hits a new all-time high. We're starting to see a change in the US government. Sologenic actually moved, which is like, damn, it finally did something. Is it gonna go up? My interest is peaked again, so I'm back in it. Once Bitcoin hit the new all-time high, I was like, okay, I can check this once in a while because now it's interesting again, which is probably why the views on the videos are going up. You know, crypto's doing stuff again. So for those negative comments, I hope you're right. I really do. I hope you're right because I'm still bag holding. Either way, I win. Either way, I was down on crypto and people think I'm right because of that, or you're right as a negative commenter and I buy a house, you buy a Lambo, we all fucking win. You know what I mean? So preferably, I hope you're right because that means I've made a crap ton of money. I will take 50K negative comments if it means Sologenic and Coreum go to the moon. I hope you're right, man. I really do. I hope this moons. And I looked at the charts this morning. Because I'm getting back into it. I looked at my portfolio and I'm like, I just need like a 7x and I can buy a house. If I could buy a house off of this, I would be so blessed. Like really, all I need from my portfolio is a 7x and I could buy a decent house. When I think of that number, just 7x in crypto, we see that a lot. It's not unheard of. Does it mean it's going to happen? No. And I don't think anybody has any bragging rights until Sologenic hits its all-time high at least, and then it goes above that. That's when people can start really bragging and they can say, well, this aged like milk. I want to see like actual gains. I want to see 7x. That's what I want. I want to be able to buy a house. I want you to buy a Lambo or whatever you want to do with your money. I want to see actual gains. So let's wait it out. Let's give it a week. Supposedly, Bob Ross said there's some kind of announcement he's going to make. I'm always questioning those, like what it's actually going to be. Maybe it's something good, though. Maybe it's going to help us out and it'll keep going up. But maybe we can hit that 7x and maybe, or even now, let's not even think about the 7x. Let's just get to previous all-time high and let's surpass that. Because that's when people are going to be like, okay, this is something again. That's when people are really going to be looking at the crypto stuff again. When people are making that crazy money. I know 200% sounds really good, but when we've been tracing down for several years, that's not really that big of a deal to me yet. But if we hit all-time high, man, then I'm back in. I'm ready. You see me doing Sologenic videos again. Let's go. Because I want it to go up. But I guess my last video was more on the lines of not putting my eggs all in one basket. Especially when other things were doing so good. Yeah, I guess that's it. At this point, we just sit back. We wait and see what happens. And hopefully we take off. Hopefully we moon. And just make a crap ton of money. Hopefully. So, anyway, thank you all for watching.